To hide the navigation bar on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so you can view files and use apps on a wider screen, you have to set the navigation bar to swipe gesture. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap navigation bar, and then tap swipe gesture thumbnail. As you can see, when you set the navigation bar to swipe gesture, the navigation bar will be hidden and you will have a wider screen to view files and use apps. With this setting, you can navigate your phone with swipe gesture. To do the back button function or go to the preview screen, swipe inward from the bottom left side or bottom right side. To do the home button function or to go to the home screen, swipe up from the bottom center of the screen. While to do the recent button function or to go to the recent apps screen, swipe up from the bottom center of the screen to the middle of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.